Hi everyone, Sawadee My name is Aker Titatir Gunwanid and I'm from Bangkok, Thailand, and I'm excited to answer the big question today of what barriers do young people face in accessing quality education, and how would I, in this case, design policies to ensure more equitable learning opportunities. Now, this isn't an easy question when I initially think about it, because designing a good policy requiring narrowing down the topic quite a lot more than this. But if we zoom out and generalize everything, we can identify some key barriers in this case, from poverty, urban-rural inequality, language, ethnic barriers in some states, lack of awareness of educational pathway. But the most important thing that I believe why we have education is gap between school and career readiness. But some may say, right, just increase the educational budget, just have the teachers funding increase or universal education. But for many countries, especially those with limited resources, that's not always feasible. So we need targeted, scalable solution. I've came up with a policy called Youth Education Access Card. It's a government issued smart card, just like, an ID card, that provide automatic benefits to youth aged between 12 to 25 from low income and marginalized background, helping them stay in school and access better opportunities. Why? Well, this smart card will cover tuition, uniform, textbooks, and exam costs with 1,000 baht monthly, or equivalent to 1,000 bahts travel support. But I think the two most important part is the scholarship opportunity matching and career pathway tracker to match student with internship and job fair, because that's why we have education, to help us go into career path that we are passionate about. I have more to talk about with this, and I hope to be able to talk more about other policy at the event. So I hope to see you guys at the Youth Vision Assembly 2025. Thank you so much for listening to this video, and I hope you have a great day. Thank you. Bye bye. สวัสดีครับ